Testimony today that Drew Peterson tried to hire a hitman for $25,000 to kill his third wife, Kathleen Savio, the woman that Peterson is now charged with murdering. That was one key development in court today. ABC 7's Sarah Schulte live in Joliet tonight with a roundup of the day's testimony. Sarah.
Well, Kathy, compared to yesterday's slow day where the jury only heard from one witness, today the jury heard from four, the first being the so-called hitman witness, someone who the defense team fought hard to keep out of the trial.
The whole story is ridiculous.
What defense attorney Joe Lopez finds ridiculous is the testimony of Jeff Pachter. The former co-worker of Drew Peterson's told the jury that months before Kathleen Savio was found dead in a dry bathtub, Peterson offered him $25,000 to, quote, take care of Peterson's third wife. Pachter and Peterson worked together at a cable company where Peterson moonlighted as an installer. But the alleged offer didn't take place there. Pachter says the proposition came during a ride-along with Peterson in his Bolingbrook police squad car.
I think he stood by his statement of what Drew told him, what he experienced in that ride-along.
And during the ride-along, Pachter says Peterson told him the alleged offer is, quote, something you will take to your grave, end quote. In an aggressive cross-examination, Lopez attacked Pachter's past, one that includes a gambling debt.
Drew's not going to hire Mother Teresa to kill his wife. I mean, he's going to go to someone with some kind of a past.
Lopez says Pachter is making the whole story up for fame and money. Pachter testified he has never contacted the media or made money off the case.
You can't expect a witness to get on the stand and say, you know what, Mr. Lopez, you're right, I lied. Ain't going to happen.
Also on the witness stand today was Illinois Police Master Sergeant Brian Fallett. He was assigned to assist in the investigation of Kathleen Savio's death. He told the jury he found Savio's death, quote, suspicious, and he thought it was a homicide. Fallett's boss believed it was an accident. Fallett and his police sergeant interviewed Peterson the night that Kathleen Savio's body was found. Fallett testified that he said that Peterson was cooperative. He also was jovial during that interview. The jury also heard from Kathleen Peterson's physician, and he testified that she was healthy at the time of her death. The trial has wrapped up for the day. Prosecutors are hoping they will wrap up their case by the end of the week. Live in Joliet at the Will County Courthouse, Sarah Schulte, ABC 7 News. Alan, Kathy, back to you.
All right, Sarah.